In this video I'm going to show you how to check analytics on Instagram. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. First of all, open Instagram on your iPhone or Android, then tap on your profile icon in this bottom right corner, or if you're using Android and it will be appear here, then tap on profile icon. As you can see, my Instagram profile. Then to check analytics on Instagram, first of all you need to switch your account to professional mode. So to switch professional mode, tap on three line menu and swipe up for account type. Here is for professionals, and first option is account type and tools. Tap on, and here is account type options. First option is switch to professional account or add a new professional account. So tap on professional account, and here is some tips and tricks. Then tap on continue and select your category. I'm selecting digital content creator, or you can display it on your profile. So if you went to this, then tap on here to turn on, then tap on done, and it takes 30 seconds around. And here is a two type, creator or business. If you're content creator, select creator, or if you're business owner, then select business. So I already select digital creator, so I'm selecting creator, then tap on next, and here is another option to fill up your professional account, but I'm doing later. Then exit, and as you can see here showing professional dashboard on profile, but if you're not able to access this, just close your Instagram, then reopen again and go to your profile, and then you can find here. So tap on professional dashboard, and here is first option is inside your tools and tips and resources. So as you can see, there is lots of options. Account reset, here is 0 because my account is new, that's why here showing 0. And you can tap on total follower, so here showing 0. Then here is all, you can check anything about analytics. That's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.